Let's take a look. The Ondo local zones were more than okay to open trade. So global targets, guys, you remember, if we will if we will go down on a BTC, and if the idea about we are just at the beginning of the bear market is correct, the zone of interest for Ondo, unfortunately, guys, is now it's 37.84. So first zone of interest is 12.57, 10.31, next one 7.10, and 5.10.68. So in next bear market, if the Ondo will survive, and I hope it will, this is the prices where I will buy Ondo for the spot. But of course, depends of what's going on that time with real world asset sector. But technically, the Ondo investment project should be good one. So globally, I showed you the targets. Yes, I believe the Ondo can hit a new all-time high again, because the real world asset sector is just at the beginning, of adoption, a real use case and real adoption. So locally, I can expect the drop to 33.98. So this is a zone what I would like to see. Technically, we already closed this weekly gap. Monthly, there is no gaps, nothing on the monthly. But what I don't like this week, so it's seller pressure from the sellers. It's kind of bad. That's why I hope we're gonna hold the line here at 33.98. If not, this is going to be the next support level, 27.32, 25.60. For the spot, anyway, I don't want to touch any token, not only the Ondo. So this is a drop, latest zone, what I can see for the Ondo. Also, we usually see the impulse, sideways impulse. So basically the second correction has already ended. And to talk about upside move, we need to sweep this high like $1.12 if we want to see the break of structure. Usually what do we form when we see this price action, impulse, correction, impulse. After that, at least we're going to bounce 50%. And this is going to be the crucial level. On the daily is going to be the break of structure. Or we're going to form the double bottom, and the size of that double bottom will be the break of structure on the weekly locally. Or it's going to be the bounce, cat bounce, and we go into the deep bear market for all altcoins and for the Ondo also. So now all eyes now to 33.98, 27.32. For weekly time frame. With indicator set, IDZ direction, this is accumulation. So take a look, guys. This was distribution. Now it's the biggest accumulation ever on the weekly time frame. It's bullish. Let's hide the FIB. Direction, no signal for accumulation on the weekly. Daily, it's also here. While we crash down after that Donald Trump dump, we also in accumulation begin on direction indicator since December 16. We already closed the 50% of the, let's hide the opens, by the way, 50% of the week candle on the daily. So the support can be now at 34, 50, 56, 31, 25. So in this area, maybe I will try open a long position with the futures. So makes sense. So it's going to be the logical one. Depends of where BTC goes in the next few days. All right, so we can close this one. So no signals to sell now. Market smooth on a daily. It's the depression, disbelief, weekly time frame, capitulation since October 25. This is also the example why we have to use the indicators, to remind the sentiment on the market and all this time period. We could see just a fixation, fix the profit, and not touch this token until we not drop in October to the capitulation zone. So time to sell, extremely red color, time to accumulate step by step. At least for investment, if you believe in this project. We can't know what will be next with any of the project because, for example, the Cadena. Cadena was a fundamentally good, strong project, old one, but just one day the team just stepped back and the project delisted from all exchanges. So sometimes it's happened. So market mood in disbelief even on a daily time frame. Take a look, the money power. No money inflow. The money in was here at 38.55 and we pump it to 47. Now the money outflow. I'm waiting the new money in on the daily. Yes, it's a daily money in. So for me, it's going to be the like one of reasons. Take a look and maybe open trade. 12 time frame. Yes, like you can see, step by step, somebody start accumulated or fill the orders, limit orders and open position for the Ondo. Kraken and the big gets at the pace in the early in the organization stock trading. Trump Ondo lead 5.5 in token unlocks in January. All right, so this is kind of bad. Unlocks, it doesn't mean it's all the time the seller pressure, because we can't know what the early investors will do with their own tokens. For example, you get allocation and you receive your allocation from the unlocks. Nobody knows what you're going to do with your tokens. It's a fact. So it's not all the time the sales. Maybe you just receive the tokens, just wait to the high price targets. Why or what's the point to sell at the bottom? Of course, they can sell, for example, if they don't want to hold it anymore and they need to profit and reinvest in other projects. 12 time frame was a signal to buy here in December. And also what I don't like and why do I think so? We will see this drop because usually we should form like 1, 2, 3 drops better. And after that, form a support and climb it up to the higher price targets. So this was a buy, sell, take profit. Let's add alert to take profit from that sell. We will see take profit from the sell on 12 time frame. Daily buy, and I wish to see the drop and the one more signal to buy. Today, by the way, we saw the signal, take profit signal from the same sales. This one, Volta, the same take profit signal on the 12 time frame. I added the same alerts, so and today we trigger it. So probably tomorrow or maybe even today, we will see that alert to close that short position on 12 time frame. Something like this one. To take profit, also take a look. So test of the global FIP line, I showed you which one. 34.56, it's a 78 level by FIP of the week. It's a buy line on the 12 time frame. And I think, yes, I think it's going to be the good entry. So I don't think so. We're going to drop to the buy line at this current moment on the 12 time frame, 28 cents. So I'm more about test 34, maybe 33. So where that one? So here, 34.56, 39.98. So this is a zone where more than okay. Try to open a long position. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade as my customer said, and also you can add alerts to take profit line at this current moment at 68.17, but lines are dynamic, so I highly recommend you just add alerts and track take profit and track all these lines.